Yes, hi team. Good morning on everyone. So we'll start our session. If anybody missed the last session, please go through it. So in the last session, what we have discussed, let me quickly summarize. So we have discussed about the course duration. The journey of our duration will be the up to the course is completed with real-time project. So here you are going to be learn HTML, CSS, Bootstrap as a designer. Next, you are going to be learn coding part JavaScript, ReactJS, Redux, and some other libraries. That is the target. If you're after for the Marna, once ReactJS is completed, we'll go for the MongoDB. We'll go for the MongoDB, Node.js, and Express.js. That is our target. Okay. So if I say project, that is a definitely real-time project only. Either here I'm having the working professionals. I will take you from there, or else I will come up with the project. So if I say project, we are going to be design the project, design the components, coding. In this project, already told you, minimum 2 years hands-on experience you are going to be get. So you are going to be see the performance issues and issues which can be posted by the testers, how to unit test, next Git repository. Okay, so we can able to see the Git repository. So this is about a structure. Daily 1 hour session initially, later it will be increased, followed by the 5 to 6 interview questions. Okay, so these questions from the day one itself, target for your success. That is my target. Okay, few members are connected yesterday, but a few having a still issue, so you can able to wait after the session, whatever you are comfortable. Okay, so my target is make you to be success. Your target is become yourself as a success. For that one, if you have any questions, any doubts, anytime, you can able to reach out to me. Okay, so our target is learning about the React.js. Okay, so nowadays most of the companies are using the React.js. Okay, so we don't need to check. So this much of percentage these companies are using the React.js. So because already everybody knowing about React is one of the hot openings in the market. Why React.js? React.js is the simple library on the top of your JavaScript. Okay, so JavaScript is the client-side scripting language. Okay, so JavaScript, if I say it is very simple, as well as little complex if you're not able to understand. Okay, so next, React.js, where we can able to easily extend the React.js. We can able to extend the React.js as per our business requirement. Rapid application development. Okay, if I say develop an application to Raghavendra, so he is using the React.js. Next, Praveen using the JavaScript application, say kind of a .NET or else Java, whatever it is. Okay, compared to this one, here the time consumption is very low because that much of features are there. Okay, easily integrate with existing project. Okay, unit testing, and having the lot of best features like where you can able to easily integrate with Node.js. Okay, where you can able to easy data binding services, lot of features are there. We'll see. So next, we required some kind of a softwares which are Node.js, Visual Studio Code, and set up the React.js application. Everybody set up this application or still yet to be set up? Please let me know. So next, if I go into the next to be start this HTML concept, please let me know. Still anybody having the setup issues?
Oh, no, sir.
No, sir.
Or anybody not at completed React.js setup? Everybody did?
Yes, sir, completed.
Completed, sir. Completed, sir.
Completed.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay. If you're not able to complete, still let me know. Okay. So anybody, I think Jyoti, this is the first session for you. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes,
okay.
sir.
So please go through yesterday's session, Jyoti. If you have any questions also, let me know. Or else once text me, I will share you that link. Okay, how to set up.
Okay, sir. Okay,
So you are completely new to this React, or do you have that basic knowledge?
sir. No, sir.
Okay. Next. Hope everybody is clear, right? So we'll start the sessions regularly from today. Okay. Sir, our target in the life is to develop an applications. Am I correct or not? Developing applications, earning the money. So what type of applications we can do? In general, web applications, mobile applications, Windows applications, gaming applications, networking applications, embedded systems, VLSI, artificial intelligence, data science. So keep in your mind, I will add one point. Today you are specific to the web application, that to user interface. Okay, work on a project. So after 2 months, you will get a project, or else 3 months. Once you are into the project, work for 6 months on that project. Okay, after 6 months, you should be target as a full stack developer. Okay, if you want to become a full stack developer, you should be know the stack or Python as a backend. Okay, so plan the career like this for you. If you have any sudden mails are coming to your friends also, it will be little safer for you, because you are up to safe, because sometimes the market can be fluctuate. Softwares market can be fluctuations, so sometimes where you can able to lose the job. Different factors are there. But if you're confident on the technologies, right, you no need to worry. That's what. So not only the ReactJS, become a full stack developer. Our target is a web application. Everyone, please unmute yourself. I will ask a few questions. What is a web application? Everyone,
A
please
web
unmute.
application is a software that will be developed by using a web technology.
We will develop on
With the web technology, we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Okay, which are the web technologies? HTML, CSS, JavaScript.
HTML, CSS, JavaScript.
But React.js is not web technology.
It's a library.
Library, sir.
Yes.
on the top of
React.js
React.js,
is a
Library.
library on the top of your JavaScript. Ultimately, which is the one JavaScript. So if you have got 100 years also, web technology, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. There is no alternative. Why can't means it's a rule. Okay, rule from the World Wide Web. Okay, so next, how to set up a React.js project? Yesterday we have seen. First, we need to create a dedicated folder. Next, go to the address bar. Okay, first you should be created dedicated folder. So this is my dedicated folder. Go to the address bar. What is the command? Type cmd.
CMD.
What is the command?
npx
space
create hyphen.
everyone create hyphen
React hyphen.
react hyphen
App
app
space.
space your app name. Okay, whatever the app name you want to give here. Press enter. Okay, so it will be created React project for you. So project is created. Yes, see here. Okay, so while you are running that command, you should be check your internet. You should be have a stable internet. That is a requirement. I want to run my project. My project setup was created. These are the files. Okay, so already told, right? React.js is the predefined library. If I say predefined library, it is having the some files or not, some structure or not. So this is the one, the structure. But about this React.js folder structure, next week I will explain you. Okay. So now I want to run the React.js application. Okay. If you say JavaScript application, how to run the JavaScript application? Okay. If you directly click on the index start, okay, see here, I'm just having some index start HTML. If I click on this one, directly it will be load. Okay. But if you want to work with this, which application? React.js application, we need to be run through a command. Which is the command to run React.js application?
npm space start.
Everyone, please.
npm start.
Okay, so our
NPM
sessions
start.
are like a kind of
NPM start.
interaction.
npm start.
npm space
Start.
npm start. So every time have a question on your mind. Okay, why npm start only? Why can't we use another?
Terminal lo kuda run chesachchu kada sir.
Yes, sir. Instead of here, you can able to run in the Visual Studio Code terminal also. Okay, anything can be fine. Both are the command prompt. Okay, project is running.
Yes, sir.
Okay, So your project is running successfully. So now I open this project in the Visual Studio Code. How to open? Simply go to the set here. Open Visual Studio Code. Click on here. Sir, I will explain you like open banana, put in your mouth. Okay. So if you have any questions, any doubts, it's a small or big, whatever it is. So please raise it to me immediately. Okay. Already told you it's not like on other trainings. So here you should be interacted daily. Okay. So next, something was open here. I just want to open my project. See here, file here. You can able to see the file, right? Open folder. Here you can able to see file, open folder. Which is your project name? EX1. Select a folder. Okay, I trust. Done up to here. Any questions up to here? Creating, running,
No.
opening. Next. So next, what you need to do? Expand this SRC file. Go to the app.js. So here your task will be start. From where you need to be start in the SRC file app.js. Okay, so ReactJS folder structure I will explain you. Okay, if I say from the day one, you may have the confusion. Okay, so which file need to be edited? How to open Visual Studio Code? How to open VS Code? Tell me. How to open?
Open folder.
Open VS Code means Visual Studio
VS
Code from Windows option. Okay, it will open. Next, go to the, please take the notes. Go to the file. Go to the file.
Open folder. Open.
Go to the file. Open
Open
folder.
Open folder.
Go to the file and open a folder. From there, you need to be select the folder you need or required. Done? Yes. This is the one. This is one approach. Another approach. Second approach. Okay. Second approach is using command. Okay. How to use the command? See here. Maybe most of the members it is no, but even for the new members, go to the address bar. This is the address bar. Type CMD. It will open a command prompt. Here you need to be type code space dot. What is that command? Code space dot. Press enter. That specific folder or project will be open in the Visual Studio Code. What is the second approach? Go to the project address bar and type CMD. If anybody not able to understand, still let me know. I will connect you personally. I don't have any issues. Okay. So I want to make you to be speed to cover up with everyone. Okay. So no need to think it was understanding or not understanding. Maybe it required 2 or 3 days or 1 week, you and me to be sync. Once you are syncing with me, right? Success is very easy. For that one, you can able to connect personally. If you want me to talk, you can able to connect. Okay. So you can able to join the session little early where you can able to share the screen even in the day also. You can able to share your code screenshot. I will solve you. So I will give my 100% effort, add your 100% effort. Okay. We can able to get the success. So success is ultimately. Okay. Na? Okay. Right. So go to the project address bar and type command. It will open command prompt. In the command prompt, which command you need to be run? Code space dot. It will open Visual Studio Code. That's it. Okay, there are 2 approaches. Now, so in this ReactJS, so for the design part, which one we are using? In the ReactJS, if I want to design application, which one we are using? Tell me.
GSX.
HTML, CSS, Java, Bootstrap, design part. Bootstrap. Okay. So here In the ReactJS, please take it. In the ReactJS, JSX code is using to design a HTML tags. Okay, basically it's look like a HTML, but in the ReactJS it's not a HTML. What we call simply JSX. What is the stand for JSX?
JavaScript
JavaScript
XML.
Okay, JavaScript plus XML. Why? So let me tell you. JSX means your JavaScript plus XML. Okay, why? Why? So the question is why? Why we need to use the question? So this is one of the important interview questions. Every day, this is the first question to be asked by the people. Why?
We won't use HTML tags. That's why JavaScript XML.
Correct. In the JavaScript, we can't able to write HTML. Sir, in this case, instead of HTML, did you have to learn the JavaScript JSX? No. Sir, both are same. Both are same. But technically, system will think it's a different. Okay, for you, HTML and JSX both are same, no difference. But in the JavaScript, we can't able to write a HTML code. ReactJS team given the JSX code same as JSX code same as HTML to write in where we can able to write in JavaScript file. Okay, JavaScript file. If you see Angular, you are having the separate HTML, but in the ReactJS, JavaScript code, HTML code, everything in the same place.
TypeScript.
If it is a TypeScript also, everything in the same file. Okay, coming to the ReactJS projects. Okay, in the ReactJS project, everything is under the same place. Okay, everybody's clear? The term JSX, generally it is the HTML only. If you are going to learn the HTML only. But for the ReactJS system, it is the JSX, which is one of the important interview questions. They will ask why. We need to simply answer like, sir, in the ReactJS, we are using the JS files. JS files can't able to write HTML code. For this purpose, ReactJS team given the JSX code same as the HTML code. Okay, so where you can able to write in the JavaScript file. Okay, see here. So this is your code file now. See, I'm just hovering on the IIMG somewhere, just hover. What it is saying? JSX. It is normal HTML tags only, but system, our ReactJS project thinks like it's a JSX. If you hover on this div, what it is? JSX. Okay, that's what virtual DOM is creating. Okay, that we'll discuss later. I will not confuse right now. So now tell me, what is HTML?
Hypertext markup language.
So anybody feels like it's a basics means yes, let me go for the basics for a 2 to 3 days to understand by the everything. Okay, so we'll go from scratch to advanced level, become a perfect. That is my target. Okay, HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Okay, sir, why so it is the markup language? For example, you want to send a parcel to me. Okay, how you are going to be send a parcel? You are going to be send an item to me. Tell me how to send. Pack that item and send to me, right? And on the top of that one, you are going to add address, right?
Yes.
Here also, I want to display some content on the browser, on the UI. Okay, here some content is displaying now. So here, if I say Amazon, some content you can able to see, right?
Yes.
Okay, how you can able to see like this is the menu. Okay, so this is the image, this is the some content. Okay, highlighting, border. How you can able to see? By marking that content. If you remove that mark, all the content is same. Okay, so here some marks are there, marking is there. If I remove that marking, all the content is same. Okay, here it is the normal. It is a red color. Why so? Because it was marked. Clear?
Oh.
So HTML used to mark the content on the display on the browser. HTML is used to mark the content and display on the web browser. Okay, yesterday one student attended the TCS. This is the one of the interview questions. Why HTML? Why JSA? Okay, so now the question, what HTML contains? If you take any topic, if I'm going to learn a HTML, what it contains? Okay.
Tags, attributes.
HTML contains first one is element, tags, attributes. Okay, HTML contains three things. One is the tag, second one is the attribute, next one is the element, tag and attribute. Okay, your JSX also contains same.
Tags, attribute.
Okay, HTML JSX is nothing but HTML, that is JSX also contains the same. What is mean by element? So
which having
not
a
our
close tag.
earlier session. Wait, not Jay Shankar, Mahesh. For the new members, okay, I'm having a question. Here you can able to see the word called, just normal English word called element, right? What is mean by element? Anybody, anywhere you can see? Chinna, Apurva, anyone? Jyoti? Just element, the English word called element. Anybody seen anywhere? Did you heard about the element anytime? In your intermediate? Everybody so silent. Just tell me yes or no. Jyoti, Vinara? Ravi? Praveen? Pradeep? Just element. I mean, I just want to be you to be interact in the sessions. So I will call your name. Please be interact. Raghavendra, element. The word. Anybody here? Pardon? So in the periodic table, what a periodic table contains?
Elements.
Periodic table contains elements.
Group of elements.
Okay. So what type of elements? Hydrogen, oxygen, helium. Okay. So I will tell you where these web applications are started. So everybody know about the World War II. After the World War II, they are in the World War II, they are using the nuclear weapons. Am I correct? If you go and check the Wikipedia, so how these web applications are started, detailed notes are there. Okay, information. Okay, so in the European country, there is a nuclear research center. Okay, so there they're thinking about we are implementing a scientist. So this is an idea changing our life. So you are got an idea. So to learn about the ReactJS, once you learn the ReactJS, you will become a developer. So like this, so in that nuclear research center, they keep on working on the different types of elements. For that element to be communicate for the different countries, they have the tie up with different countries, right? G20, F20, different type of countries. Am I correct or not? To transfer the information physically, so through a ships, it is taking the too much of time. At the time, helipads are, the aeroplanes or helicopters just starting, but even it is taking the time. Okay, so that's what they're thinking about, to transfer electronically. That's what they started. Okay, our web applications are started in the nuclear research center. Okay, so www wiki, check about it, where it was started in the nuclear research center. All the information is there. If you want to be learn beyond the subject, see, this is the first. Okay, where they were started, how they were started. Just if you have the time, check it. If you want to be interested, let me know. I will share you the link. Okay.
Okay.
So because of that one, they simply say like element. That's why if you observe HTML also, HTML saying about a Word document only. HTML contains paragraph, headers, list. Am I correct or not? Table, images, okay, ordered list, okay, unordered list, headers, okay, footers. That's what your HTML discussing about a Word document. Simply, nothing else. This document is going to be sent to other place on display. So once it was evaluating, now we are using without going to the bank, without going to supermarket, we are simply sitting in a home and we are using. That is the training right now. Okay. So now tell me what is the element. So in our HTML, hope everybody is clear how web applications are started. If you want to be go beyond that one, you can able to learn it. These points are very important, but you will not going to get anywhere. Okay, element. So element will represent the HTML content. Element represent the content. You are going to be write some content, right? Okay, that is represented by the element. For example, represent a paragraph. I want to represent a paragraph content. Content. How to represent? Tell me. Less than. Inside of less than, greater than symbol. P. P for paragraph. Some content. Correct? Some content. That's it. So here the paragraph is an element which is represented by the P tag. That's it. Here paragraph is an element. But what is the stands for P? P for a tag. What is mean by tag? Tag
represent the content.
Tag represent the content. Okay, P stands for okay. So in the above example, paragraph represented by P tag. Okay, in the above example, paragraph represented by P. So division is represented by
Div tag.
div.
Div.
Then is represented by div. So image is represented
Div.
by img. Table is represented by
Table.
Table.
table tag. List is represented by
List tag.
Like.
okay OLR li. Okay, list item is represented by li. Clear? Okay. Hope everybody is clear what is an element, what is a tag.
Yes.
Okay, so nowadays everybody focusing on the specific interview questions. That's what. So they're going to too much of in deep. Okay, this type of questions also. What is the difference between the tag and element? Sorry, element represent the content, to tag represent an element. For example, I want to represent a paragraph. P represent the paragraph. Simply. Clear? That's it. So now we need to know about how many types of elements are there. Before that one, let us have simple example. Simply open app.js. Okay. Once if you complete the setup today, open the app.js. Sir, where is app.js? Under the SRC, here you can able to see app.js. You can able to see predefined header. Just remove predefined header and the class name. Okay, just remove it. Okay, so here let me add paragraph. Okay, welcome to ReactJS sessions by VKC. Okay, done. I'm just saving, Control S. Okay, so if I'm doing some modifications, right here, see the team. You can able to see some count. Okay. So along with this count, are you able to observe some more count here, right? Okay. Why so? I have configured the Git. After 3 weeks, I will show you how to configure the Git. Do the check-in also, maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks later. Okay. So here one is the unsaved file, one is the file yet to be check-in. That's what. Let me save it. So able to see the count? No. My file got saved. Okay. So student will ask this question, sir, I have added something. It was not a display on the UI because you are not saved. Okay. Come here. Able to see? Welcome to ReactJS sessions by Vikas. Clear? Narendra, Jyoti, Ravi, Vinod, Vinay. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So like this, I want to represent a content. So like this, if you are using HTML element or tag, how many types? You are having the 100 plus types. How many types? You are having 100 plus types. But you can able to categorize. Okay. Where we can able to categorize as per the category, we can able to use. Okay. So here, let me say types of elements are tags. How many types? How many types of an element or a tag can be? Just thinking about your normal, see the website. See some menus, some header, some image, okay, some table format, okay, some list format, okay, some kind of a paragraph, okay, some kind of a navigations, nothing but anchor links, okay. What else? Okay, all these are the categories. Next, I want to be register. So their registration form. Like this, tell me. So first one is the root tag. Which is the root tag in the HTML? HTML itself a root tag. Next, header and body tags are body tag. Which one is the body tag? BODY body. Please take the notes parallel. Header tag is nothing but a header. Okay. So why header tag? You can able to represent the meta tag. Okay. Meta tag. Sir, what is mean by meta tag? In the header section, if you are somebody already told, sir, I have the basics from the W3 schools or somewhere. So you are writing some header, right? In that header, you are going to add some CSS, HTML. If you're not yet seen, we'll see it. Some title. So those are called meta tags. Tags represent under the header section is called meta tags. Which are the meta tags? Example, link, title, script, style is represented by the link. Okay, style. Okay, meta itself a tag. It is. So these meta tags help you. Sometimes people may say search engine optimization. Anybody heard about search engine optimization? Search engine optimization is nothing but if you are trying to type a VKC trainings or something, it should become on the top in the Google. How the Google is taking? So see here.
Meta tag.
Based on the meta tag. For example, give me some name, you people, just some company name, something.
Deloitte.
Just normal. I mean, if I say that one, you can able to get only one delight. I'm just saying about a normal. Okay.
Tata. Yes.
Okay, Tata. So Tata means a lot of things are there. Okay, first Tata Motors, Tata Group. But Google is taking this one. How this was taken from the Tata. Okay, see, it was highlighted. So in this website, you can able to see meta tags. But is this the out of syllabus? Okay, I'm just having the point. Keep on your mind. Why so meta tags? Okay, here in the head section, you will have the lot of the tags. Able to see meta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here we need to be analyze. So meta tags help one of, but it's not about optimize fully. Okay, it will not fully optimize team. Okay, so it will be optimize different types, different things are there, but one of the thing is nothing but a meta. Okay, so this meta will check for the once check it somewhere they mention this data, because of that word matches it is taken. Okay, so nowadays chat GPT is coming as a competition.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the use of the meta tag? So meta tag meta tag is nothing but to add any link, title, script, all these tags are simply calling as a meta tag. Okay, if you're able to see here, right click inspect page, but don't worry, initially here in the head section, Narendra, able to see in the under the head section, you are having some tags, right? All these tags are called meta tags.
In headers.
Yes. Okay, though all these are called meta tags. Okay, so next. Next, what type of table? From here you can able to say normally. Table tags. Sir, which are the table tags? Table,
T-head,
T head,
T-body.
T body. Munir,
PH.
if you say body, you are writing the content under the T body. T body, you need to be write the table data body. Okay, not all the body.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So always red color bag is not your bag only. Okay. See that one first. Okay. Next, T,
PH.
T head, TR, TH,
T4,
Heroes.
TD,
TD,
T4.
T4.
These are the table tags. Please take parallelly. Next, image tags.
IM.
So in the HTML5, you are having
IMG.
only IMG. In the HTML4, you are having the base tag, but nowadays we are not using. Next, link tags. Simply you can able to say link or
Thank
hyperlink tags. Which are those? Anchor.
tag.
Anchor tag. Anchor tag is represented by A. Simple.
A.
Next one is the list tags. What is the example of a list?
LI.
UL.
Ordered list.
Ordered.
Ordered list
Ordered
is
list.
represented by the OL. Unordered list. It is represented by
UL.
UL. List item is represented by
LI.
list item. It is not a separate type, but simply list item is represented by LI. Hope everybody taking the notes.
Yes, sir.
Taking notes. Please take the parallel. Ram, Ravi, Sai,
Yes, sir.
Pavan. Next, third type is data list. It is represented by DL. Okay. So why you are using the data list? Data definition, data term to represent a definitions, right? We need to be write some kind of a definitions. So there we are going to be use this data list. Next type is form tags. All above tags are done. Please take it. So I am again saying to you, okay, think like a one-to-one session. Okay, Harish, Jafar, Jay Shankar, Javid, Navrindra, Jyoti. So don't be thinking about others. For example, you are thinking it was slow, let me know. Okay, if you're thinking it is the fast, let me know. Okay, think like one-to-one only. Okay, so you're thinking only you are in the session. Forget about.
iframe.
Yeah, we'll go one by one.
Input.
Done. Can I go next? So which are the form tags?
Input.
All input
Form
tags.
itself a tag, input,
All input
all the
tags.
input tags.
Label.
Okay. All the input tags. Label. Kadu. Oh, no, it's not that one. All the input tags. So next, select which are the input tags. Input type text, input type button. I will give the list.
Text
Input type
checkbox,
password,
radio button,
input type radio, input type
text
checkbox,
checkbox
select
button, text
Okay.
area.
So nothing but where the user can able to interact. Okay, user can able to perform a section, some action. All user interactable tags are form tags. Okay, if we say in the bracket user interactable tags are nothing but a
Form tag.
user interactable tags are nothing but all your form tags. Next, paired tag. Paired tags. But always no need to follow the order. Simply go normal. Okay, paired tags. Which are the paired tag? A tag contains a
Starting and
starting
ending.
and
Ending tag.
ending tag is a paired tag. The tag which contains the starting and ending tag is nothing but a paired tag. Example, paragraph, div, span, even OL, LI, table, all the table
Navbar,
tags, navigation bar,
label,
put,
label,
label, all
span.
these tags. Okay, so in the ReactJS, all the tags are paired tags, no unpaired tags, because React is the JSX syntax. It must require a closing. That I will give that a statement at the last. Next, unpaired tags. Which are the unpaired tags? A tag. Sorry, here you are writing as tag. Sorry, Anna. Element contains starting and ending tag. Sorry, please strike out a tag, an element. Okay, an element contains only starting tag and no ending tag. Is nothing but a unpaired. There is no pair. Which are the tags?
HR.
Image.
HR,
BR.
IMG, image tag,
BR.
BR tag.
Example, HR, BR.
Next, what else? Paired, unpaired, form, frame. Next, frame tags. Which are the frame tag? iframe. Okay, so basically this iframe you are not going to use in the ReactJS applications. Okay, sir, where we are using this ReactJS application? Sorry, iframe to develop a multi-page application. ReactJS is single page or multi-page?
Single.
Single page.
Generally,
page.
ReactJS is
Single
calling
page.
single page. Why so? I will explain you. Okay, so if I want to develop a multi-page applications, your target should be a iframe. Okay, see here. So let me open my website where you can able to see the syllabus, right? So this is nothing but a multi-page application. Here you can able to see some iframe to load a part. Iframe. Okay, able to see the iframe? Okay. So all this iframe is nothing but a multi-page applications. BR tag means yes, break tag only. Okay. But if you open ReactJS application, it's not a multi-page, it's a single page. Sir, how it is single page, we'll see. We'll see everything. Clear? So this is the kind of the website where you can able to develop multi-page, nothing but when I click on this one, some page, something will be loaded. Okay. Clear? And we are having some more categories where you can able to category by yourself. These are the main categories. Okay. So now I want to design something. Okay. I want to design something. So I want to add some division. Okay. Division. Just save it. Add here, just save it. Okay. Go to the browser. Automatically you can able to see the code. For example, I just want to write some header here. HR tag. Basically, HR is a unpaired tag. Am I correct or not? HR is unpaired tag. So it is the syntax need to be right. But in the JavaScript, you can't able to write HTML. Na? That's what you are writing JSX. Okay. So React to JS must require a ending tag. Okay. So take that point as a note. React to JS must require ending tag. ReactJS must require ending tag in a JSX code. This is the JSX code. But HTML, JSX both are same, nothing difference. Why so? So React people are developed like that. Okay, if they come up with some more new HTML technology, right? Then World Wide Web will be come and beat them. Okay, so they will not approve to be used by the companies. That's what. If you want to design and represent, you should be use HTML only. But they are saying it is the HTML for you, but technically it is the JSX code. Then it is fine. Okay, logics are fine. Okay, next. So let me create some student table here or else some employee table here. Okay, so let me add some h2. Okay, employee details. Employee details. So if I say employee details, I want to represent a grid. So if I say grid is represented by in the real-time project, grid is represented by table. A table is a structure of a grid only. Okay, let me create a table. So tell me how to create a table. Everyone, please unmute. Most of the members will know, right? How to create a table.
Table tag.
Then table tag, table row, tr, th, head, td.
In the
Table
table
data.
tag, we have to
So
write
table is a
th.
row to tag. It contains the two part t head. Next one
T head, T red,
T body.
t body.
body.
Okay, t head and t body. Header is nothing but where you can able to see. So I will tell you
Heading
one
of
more
the
thing. For example, any example you are started. So Munir, you are getting issue na? Why is the right? You are not writing on the paper. Am I correct? Already told you, right? Sir, any example you started, don't be start faster. First design on a paper. So I want to be design a menu here below the table. Okay. So in this table, always you required some kind of a header. Next, you required a table of cells. Okay, clear? So you need to be design first on your pen and paper. Then you can able to start coding. Okay. So I want to represent like this. Okay, so or else open the paint somewhere you can able to just write down. Okay, in the table header, employee details means I need how many rows? Basically, how many rows? Only one row, na? Only one row, right? This is nothing but my header. So this header I need to be represent. Okay, so header means how it will be there? ID, name, email, some details always will be there. Okay.
Salary, phone number.
Phone number. Okay, so tr means it is contain the cell is nothing but a th. Okay, id, Okay, if you know this one also, let everyone should be know. Yeah. Huh? Okay, don't be hurry about ID, name. TS. Sometimes I'm just saying like the sir was saying basic. Yes, so we are going to start from the basics. We'll go for the advanced. So basic of component, I will show you the atomic component, how to create atomic components up to the level. Okay, ID, name, email, TH, phone number. Okay, or else simply say contact. Next, in the T body, we need to represent the content. So T body, let me say TR. So this is one TR, right? So this is one row now. So in
TD.
this row, I
No,
want to
wait.
represent some content. Okay.
TD.
So
T data.
TR content is represented by the TD, table data. Okay, how many as per your TD? 4, right? ID,
Mm,
1, Munir. Okay. Sir, if any spell mistake, please let me know. Huh? Sometimes if I write name wrong, na, people think like, sir written my name as wrong, I will not. Okay. But I will write a wrong phone number. Okay, Munir. So next, roll number 2, Jyoti. Done. Let me add one more row. So Harish, you listening the sessions as well as he doing the work in the home also. Harish, he guiding the home. Observe team. Not Harish. Okay, so let me have a 3. Done. Can I see the output? Able to see the output? Stream as tree structure, but the structure look like not exactly same as this one. So not exactly same as this one. How to fix?
In the table, we have to apply some styles.
Okay, so we need to do a makeup. Am I correct or not? Recently, you heard about 1 or 2 days back, bridegroom went for the makeup. Bride only, right? Anybody seen that news?
No, sir.
Before the
Sir.
marriage, they went for that
Yes, sir.
makeup. What happened? So totally she
His
lost
face
that.
gotten.
She lost the face. Okay, so here we need to be do a makeup. That's what here also we need to do a proper makeup. Otherwise, it will be going a zigzag order. Okay, same like you. However, you are doing the makeup and getting ready, right? Here for the HTML also we need to do a makeup. For this makeup in the HTML, for this makeup in the HTML, what we need to use? How to do a makeup in HTML?
CSS.
Yes.
By using the styles. Okay, so how to add a style? Style is added by an attribute. Please take a definition. Attribute. What is an attribute? Please take a definition. Please take a heading. Attribute. Everybody's got it. Any questions as of now?
No.
Okay. So maybe who
Add
will join
appearance.
little late, I know they have some questions. So please follow yesterday and today record. Text me in WhatsApp and I will share you. Okay. So as like we need to do the makeup. Makeup is the first. Do you know which one is the first impression? By seeing this, the first impression or not? So here also. So who is having the first impression is by the UI developer, because UI developer will develop an application. Okay. Secondary is the functionality. First appearance by the UI developer. How they are designed. for this normal and as well as mobile also. So same Amazon, how it will in the mobile, right? Okay, don't be focused first day itself how to design mobile. I will explain you. Okay, let me take a iPhone SE. Okay, so it's a kind of a mobile design. Okay, see in the mobile, let me go for the today deals. It was changed or not? Okay,
Yes.
so it is going to change or not? So as per mobile design also we need to be learn. Okay, so they will ask you questions how to design. Okay, so first impression by the UI developer. Do you know who will get the appreciations from the client? First person is the UI developer. I mean, manager will be get, team lead will be get, team will be get, and UI developer will be get. Okay, in the team, if Madhu, Vinod are back-end developers, okay, they are doing well. But Vinay is the front-end guy. Hey, Vinay, you did well here. So this type of appreciation girl, because the first, next, as well as the defect also will be get to the Vinay only. Vinay, you did a childish website. I mean, I'm not for you, Vinay. It's generally they will say, hey, it's a kind of childish. So think about practical check for the realistic websites and a designer. Some more impact. You should be impact. Okay. By seeing this website, you should be feel like I want to purchase. I want to be. It should be understood by the everyone. Okay. So these mobile design also we should be focused. We'll see in the upcoming sessions. Okay. So normal. So normal means top banner is came automatically. See, Amazon having some issues here. Sir, if you do, you know, if you are posting issues in Amazon, I heard about 2 days, sir, yesterday. One girl, I don't know from where, I seen in Instagram or Twitter, shows she got a 30 lakhs from the Microsoft to identify a bug. 30 lakhs to
Yes, sir, I saw.
identify. You saw, na? Okay, good. Bug means something. Bug by Microsoft. Okay, you can able to post to Amazon. Bug check code reference Windows driver Microsoft. I don't know. Yeah, they're showing something. Okay, let me Microsoft bug identification price or something. Microsoft boundary program. So the project award, see the awards for 75,000 US dollars for approved research. Okay, some people so they will not work here. Everybody trying to work, including me also. But sometimes you know some technologies you don't need to work here. Okay, if you know, just test it. You know the testing that is fine. Open a Facebook, open a Microsoft. Okay, see here, this is called boundary something program. So they are going to be give this much of awards. Okay, here news is there, na? Hacker found 700 bucks for tech gains win over 7 lakhs air miles. Okay, some people see this guy also did something. Okay, they will not go for the companies. They will sit in a home and they will trying to find a bug. One bug, do you know? Millions. So day night you will get a million based on that bug. Okay, you should be explain the impact also. Okay, so do you know Indigo flight was hacked by some persons? Indigo. All these are why I'm showing, right, to boost yourself. Indigo flight. Okay, anybody seen this news recently? One
Actually,
person
a man.
like
Yes, sir.
Munir or Jay Prakash, Jay Shankar. Okay, so he
Sir.
traveled in the Indigo flight, but he lost his luggage. He trying to connect to that team, but that Indigo team is not giving the proper. He just hacked that website and he founded his luggage. He said that one there is a bug. I'm a software. Don't think me silly. Okay, so finally he got his luggage. Okay, that's one. Okay, So some people no need to work. Even ethical hackers will not work. They will try to find a bugs somewhere else. It's a different story, but we should be focused and learn not a lot of things. First, learn the concept. Why? That's it. If you know HTML, says JavaScript is enough to identify a bug on a web browsers. Okay. For example, this Amazon, see here, you can able to post it. See, I'm just going to the inspector, going to the mobile mode. Is it mobile friendly? No. Once I refresh, it is going to the mobile friendly. Maybe we can able to rise. Try to Munir, post this one. We'll see if we get any money. Okay, we'll have a share. Okay. Okay, Munir. So now let me go here again. See, still it is in the same. It is correct. Is it the exact behavior? No. Once you refresh, then only it will become. Even my applications also. If you go to the mobile mode, it should be a mobile kind of the things. This also we can able to rise it. Okay. So our mobile should be application should be support mobile as well as Windows application. So these type of the bugs we can able to identify. Next, so not only the bugs. See here, some calls will be failed. If you're able to identify the calls fails and the reason, okay. See, sometimes here calls are failing, right? So network time, all these there coming sessions we can able to see. Okay, see here, 2 issues are came, 48 issues are came. Okay, see here, for something client user Java. Hey, any Java guys are here? Praveen Java developer. Praveen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you already added your name as Praveen Java developer. See this. What is this issue? Hey, in the Amazon also they integrated ReactJS for the specific. Are you able to observe team?
This is
So what
backend
it is?
error.
Everyone, please read out. This is the realistic scenario. Everyone, please read out. Error logged with the track under React. Oh, sorry, not ReactJS. It is a report to JS. Okay, report to JS, not a ReactJS. That's what I also thought when they integrate. So this is the API. Okay, so to get this API, they failed at the some response.
This is backend error, sir. Actually, he
Backend
can't
you are
able
error.
to backend cannot able to find that controller.
Oh, good, good. So try it, Praveen. We'll see it. Send a mail to them. There is some backend URL. They're not able to find this one. So add this screenshot. Okay. So here they miss it to handle this exception. You should not fail to show this exception here. So you need to be handle the code. They missed something. So late loading module. So this is nothing but simply lazy loading. Okay. So because of this late loading, use log caller warn attribute and page something. So this is the expected page, the function, everything, the code error it is throwing. Okay, so the background of this error team observe the questions they will ask as you are keeping 2 years, 3 years now. What type of issues? So how to solve those issues? So see the API issue. So see, Amazon using what type of JS library? Are you able to see or not? Let me magnify. Okay, what type of here you can able to see what type of JS library? Report to JS. Okay, that's what each and every company will try to use their own JS libraries or the frameworks. Okay, own libraries are the framework. But a few of them got famous, they will give. Amazon Web Services are there for the internal purpose for the Amazon. Later they're trying to sell it. Clear? So reporter JS. So you can able to add this in your mind. So what is the ReactJS? ReactJS is the one of the library developed with the Facebook. There is a lot of library. For example, Amazon using the report.js. If you're adding this statement, you are in the next level in the interview. Am I correct or not? Okay. So take this point somewhere else. Yeah, Purva, by adding this point, so in the interview, you will be in some level or not?
Yes,
They will
sir.
think like you are definitely know some beyond the interviewer because nobody don't know that report. Even lot of times I've opened this Amazon, I'm trying to check. So what type of the things are using? Okay, report.js. If you know perfect in the JavaScript, tomorrow you are getting the job in the Amazon also. You can able to work easily because you know the JavaScript. So let me try to post some mail to them. I will see if I get a money or not. Okay. Next, if I want to style to an element, sorry,
Appearance.
we'll write a perfect definition. Attribute will add appearance
Appearance.
and behavior to an element. Okay, so always don't be by heart the subject. Okay, just try to understand. If you're not able to understand, let me know. Any questions? Swapna, any questions? Viresh?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Attribute will add appearance of behavior to an element. Okay, yeah, that's what sometimes I also think, like, why should still I'm doing the job? I also try to be get a 30 lakh. 30 lakhs means 1 year salary within a 10 days, right? Okay, sometimes I also think, but if I'm not able to find the bug, but definitely if you're trying to be get it, definitely you can do. But we always fighting to be survive under the somebody's control. Am I correct or not? Including me also, I'm doing the same. Sir, how the appearance is added? Appearance is added by?
Giving style or
Appearance is added by the style and class.
ID.
So here question from the Madhu. Sarah, a tag contains so many attributes. Do you have to learn all of them? No need to, Madhu. So we are going to use the regularly few tags only, where I have the 100+ tags. In the regular, if you're able to perfect in a few tags, attributes, remaining things, we can able to get it. Okay, so no need to learn all the attributes. So few attributes which are must. 20 attributes are required must. So if you learn about 20, remaining all are easy. Behavior. How the behavior is added? Behavior is added by event. Okay, event or action. Simply say action. What is mean by event again, sir? If you are clicking on here, you are navigating somewhere else or not? Okay, so that is nothing but a event or action. If you are clicking on login, log out, page navigation, okay, save the form, all these are added by the click action. Okay. So in today's session also, I learned one of the report JS. Let me dig on it. So tomorrow maybe I can able to create a session. Do you know Amazon using the React? No. Am I correct or not? We can able to add a tag. Free of cost, you can able to learn and join. I will add. Okay. So I will dig on it. Report JS. What is the benefits of it? Sir, sometimes people are saying about a master classes. Anybody attended?
No.
So getting anything, anybody attended some of the master classes on IRCTs? Did they show an exact replication of the everything? I mean to say how the database structure, ORM architecture. Most of them are saying like too much of banner different things. Internally, once we are saying, they will try to explain the theory, but not in a practical how it was really. We think like they will show some diagrams, the application flow. Am I correct or not? But later, when I was very long back, I tried to see it. They are trying to explain it was built like this. Even for the React also, React was used with so many companies. So what? My target is we are having the openings on the good on the React, so I will go it. Correct or not? Antena Jyoti? So mana target and React to manchiga openings undi. Let us learn it. Am I correct? Okay, team. So tomorrow session, I will show you how to integrate the bootstrap and how to add a styles. Will make this a table as a stylish one. Okay. So little extra things we had it so today itself. So we'll go the continuously subject, not extra topics will be. Okay. Which if you are if you are those are really useful, I will add it definitely. Okay. So tomorrow onwards, if anybody attending interview also. So what is the ReactJS? Say simply as the ReactJS is a library developed on a top of a JavaScript, but it was developed in the Facebook. So not only this library, we're having the other libraries like Report.js from the Amazon. So each and every company having a lot of libraries, but nowadays React got a success because of some features like this. We'll see in interview preparation in upcoming sessions. Okay. See what I have seen today. What is the today's? What is mean by what is the HTML? HTML stand for and why HTML? Why HTML team? Next, what HTML contains? Okay, list the tags in HTML. List the tags in HTML. Okay, paired tag versus unpaired tag. So Praveen, sometime back we have seen that Java issue, right? If you want to be post, right? So then you need to be give the explanation like because of the error, what you lost on the UI. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, some issues came, right? Everybody will tell like, okay, they will say like, okay, thanks for identification, but they will not come up with some more explanation. You should be explained like because of that issue, I lost the so-and-so feature, but the so-and-so feature is I required something. Okay, clear explanation there. Then you will get.
I will try my best, sir. I will try my best.
No, not for you. I'm just saying, so you can try or not. I'm just saying. Okay. What is an attribute? Okay. So next, today lab. So first, everybody complete a setup. Create a grid with employee or student. All the data 5 to 6. Okay. So I know few members are already created, but even okay. So please try to follow from now. Create a grid with employee, student. Okay. Order. Okay, etc. Take it 5 to 6 examples. Okay, try to be created. Let it have one lab with 3 questions. Everybody is clear? So please join by the 7:45 AM tomorrow. Okay, so the link is available up to tomorrow only. From the day after, I will share you other link. If you're having any questions, and I know few members are done the payments. If anybody had to be do, please let us know either to me or to our concerned team. Okay. And
Hello,
whoever
sir.
is joined today, so can you please text like I was joined today? Okay, team.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, are we going to just use the Bootstrap or some another styles websites also?
So
there,
let us
like
use the bootstrap. Okay.
material UI also are there now.
Pardon?
So we are just using Bootstrap or material UI like some websites.
So we
also
are going to
for
use the
styling
bootstrap
purpose.
only.
Only Bootstrap. Okay.
Only
And
bootstrap. If
about
you're interested
database
about the material, Praveen, I will show you. Okay.
and only MongoDB database or more databases.
As a part of the MERN stack, we are going to be show you the MongoDB.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So for that React project, we'll see JSON server APIs, and so if everybody interested, directly I will show you. Okay. So not only MongoDB, we can able to use MySQL also. Okay. I think Oracle also in the Node.js where you can able to connect. Any questions, team?
No.
Elarity, Vinod, Vinay, Swapna, Munir, Santoshi, Sai, Ravi, Praveen, Madhu, Raghavendra, Jyoti, Narendra, Jafar, Harish, Chinna, Sikri, Apurva, Viresh, Ram. Any questions?
No.
No.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yeah, at least ask one question.
Sir.
Swapna, are you clear? Jyoti, any questions? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So everyone, I will send you that recording video. Okay. Whoever joined today, just text us join today. Okay. So and share your emails tomorrow. Already I have the emails of few members and whoever is new tomorrow onwards will keep on the private. This link only available up to tomorrow. Day after we'll change the link. Okay. Already regular sessions are started. Okay. Okay, team. Thanks for the day. We'll meet tomorrow. Not here, Swapna. Text on my WhatsApp number. Okay. If anybody wants to be follow, you can able to follow our channel. Okay. Once if I posted anything, right, you can able to get a notifications. Okay. Okay, team. Here my number, mail, everything is there if you want to contact. Okay, team. Thanks for the day. We'll meet tomorrow at 7:45.